Hi, my amigos, welcome back to my channel, Marble Fun World, where we dive into the world of cryptocurrency and impart knowledge to both newbies and veteran in game. Before I start this video, please use your 2 seconds to like, turn on the notification, and subscribe and comment so that you let me know what you think about this video. Okay, guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can earn free diamond on CoinMarketCap, how you can run research, how you can run CoinMarketCap airdrop, and how to claim NFT on CoinMarketCap, guys. Okay, guys, if you want to open your CoinMarketCap, go to your Play Store, install CoinMarketCap. There will be a referral link in the video description for you to use if you want to sign up your CoinMarketCap. Note that if you use my referral link after you claim up to 100 diamond, you'll be given additional 20 diamond. So it is advisable to use the link in the description so that you can claim free 20 diamond after claiming up to 100 CoinMarketCap diamond. I will be showing you guys what the CoinMarketCap diamond really means. It's what. Okay, guys, so let's go deep into how to use CoinMarketCap tutorial, guys. Okay, guys, I will show you how you can claim your CoinMarketCap diamond. CoinMarketCap diamond is a reward given by CoinMarketCap to we the users every 24 hours, and we are eligible to claim up to 10 diamond per day. As you can see, I'll click on collect diamond, then the security verification so that I can be able to collect my diamond. As you can see, you collected 10 diamond successfully. Wow! CoinMarketCap diamond can be used to get NFTs, and also, guys, there is a rumor that in the future the diamond can be turned to cryptocurrency. I have used my CoinMarketCap diamond to claim up to more than one NFT. I will show you guys the NFT that I have used my CoinMarketCap to receive. Okay, guys, as you can see, these are the NFTs that you can use your CoinMarketCap diamond to get. This one is 4,000 diamond. I will show you guys the NFTs that I've used my CoinMarketCap diamond to receive. As you can see, these two and avatar crypto P. Please leave your ERC115 address for receiving NFT avatar. Okay, guys, I can be able to withdraw my avatar NFT to my ERC1155 wallet. Guys, CoinMarketCap, this is sick. Make sure you watch the video thoroughly and learn, and also don't forget to click the subscribe button to Marble Fun World and turn on the notification so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. Let's continue on our CoinMarketCap tutorial. Okay, guys, I hope you are learning. Okay, guys, as you can see, this is my avatar crypto PP. You guys might be worried that what is ERC1155. As we all know that the common ERC we know is ERC20, but I'm happy to tell you that this ERC115 is also supported by MetaMask. Okay, guys, let's go deep back to our video. After we claim our 10 diamond daily, there is a trick in which we can use to earn more than 10 diamond. But note that you can't do this on their mobile app. It can only be done on their website. I promise you can't find this trick anywhere. So work with me, the crypto space. To earn additional diamond for the day, as you can see, back to your CoinMarketCap diamond, then you scroll down to check the daily tax. You'll be given daily tax to do if you want to earn more diamond, guys. I told you guys, you scroll down. As you can see, this daily tax, the first one is join an airdrop and get 10 diamond, and the second is place estimate price on 3 coin and get 10 diamond. CoinMarketCap airdrop is a very good and potential airdrop, but before I look into it, I'll predict price of 3 coin to earn more extra diamond. There are millions of coin on CoinMarketCap, but note that you can only estimate a particular coin just once in a month. For example, if you have to predict the price of Kabada this month, you won't be able to predict the price again until next month. I will click on place price estimate on 3 coin and get 10 diamond for free, guys, like for free. So I'll click on it, go to the price estimate page. Guys, I'll predict 3 tokens to earn diamond. This trick can be done every blessed day. Guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button to Marble Fun World and turn on the notification so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. There is a lot to learn in this crypto space. Just work with me. I will click on this search icon to predict ever printer. I will be adding 10% to it. Then I will submit the estimate. So I will scroll down the network. As you can see, submit estimate. I will just add it by 10%. Then I will submit the estimate. That means I've already predicted the price. Then I will go back to the search icon. Then I will predict future coin. I'll scroll down, then click on submit estimate, add 10% to it, also submit estimate. The last token I'll be predicting will be Unis Seed Leo. I will also add 10% and I will also submit the estimate. So I will click on this CoinMarketCap to search for the coin to check. As you can see, Unis Seed Leo. You can go to CoinMarketCap if you want to search for any token. So I'll just submit estimate, add it by 10%, submit it. Then I'll go back to my diamond to see if I've completed the attacks. As you can see, collect diamond. That has been completed. So I'll be able to collect my 10 free diamond. With this, you can collect 10 free diamond for nothing, and you can use it to claim NFT, guys. This is 60. So the second thing I'll be doing is running CoinMarketCap airdrop. Like I said earlier, CoinMarketCap airdrop is a very good one, and the chance of winning it is just 25% because there are many participants on it. If you are lucky enough to win CoinMarketCap airdrop, that's a huge cut, and if you don't win it, at least you get will be able to get free diamond, which you can use to get NFT. Wow, guys, so these are the ongoing airdrop. As you can see, this Pando, it has participants 5.2 million, and number of winners they need is just 2,000. Can you see? And 10 hours left. So CoinMarketCap airdrop particularly is just luck, guys. Let me quickly chip in something. You don't need money to start cryptocurrency. Honestly, you can just start by using airdrop. You can start by running airdrop. You can just start by running airdrop, and you will run in legit airdrop, legit. So guys, as you can see, these are the ongoing airdrop. Then I'll pick one airdrop that I haven't run. That will be B2Me. Sorry, now okay. That will be B2Me. So I'll click on B2Me, then I'll run the airdrop. In my previous videos, there's already a video on how you can run airdrop. If you haven't watched it, go check it out. But I'll also be doing it for CoinMarketCap. I'll click on join airdrop, and I will be running this airdrop, guys. These are the necessary tasks that I need to do. So I've done that. In one of my previous videos, there's a video on how you can run airdrop. So it will be at the end screen, so that it will look like what I'm doing here is magic. As you can see, I'll feed my Ethereum address, my Twitter handle, that's at marblefunworld, my Telegram handle, Damscap, and the link to retweeted post. I will paste it there. Then I will add. I will join the airdrop, guys. I'll click on join. Then there will be a security verification. Just verify it. What I'm doing here is not magic. You see one of the previous video at the end screen to check how to run airdrop. Okay, guys, I've joined the airdrop. Then I'll go back to my diamond. I'll click on the diamond icon there. I'll go back to claim the free 10 diamond that I was given. Then I'll click on collect diamond. Okay, guys, the last trick to pull off that will earn you more than 100 diamond is very rare. As you can see the two tags below. You scroll down. Okay, guys, you just scroll down to the last trick. So this is it. They say I should predict 3 countries that will legalize cryptocurrency, and if my prediction are correct, I will be able to get an extra 50 diamond each for the country that I predict. But once I predict it, they will give me 10 diamond straight. So the only country that legalizes cryptocurrency for now is El Salvador. So I'm just going to pick 3 out of this and predict it if they will legalize cryptocurrency or not. So it's the prediction have been done, and I have already claimed my diamond. I've already claimed the 10 diamond. Okay, guys, if the 3 prediction is correct, that means in each country that I predicted on, I'll be giving 50 diamond. That's why I said it is rare. But as far as getting your 10 free diamond once you predict the 3 countries, then that is very good. That's very good. And luckily, if one of the 3 countries legalize it, then I'll be giving 50 diamond each. Woohoo, guys, that is it. That is that on how to run crypto diamond trick. Okay, because this is how to do a research on CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap give the users the privilege to make research on any token of our choice. We can get contract address of token on CoinMarketCap. If you don't have CoinMarketCap, don't forget to install and use my referral link. And if you have CoinMarketCap but don't know its uses, watch and learn from this video. Picking any token of my own choice to do research, I'll be picking any swap to do my research. I will have to study the tokenomics of the coin, the use case. The use case is the usefulness of the token, so I'll be using any swap, and I will run my research using any swap. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, as you can see, this is any swap. It is under the contract. This is Ethereum. So if you want to copy the contract address of any swap, but before that, you can add it to your watch list if you want, and you can add it if you don't wish. Any swap contract address is under Phantom, Avalanche, and Binance Smart Chain, so it is different. So don't mix it up. If you want to use it under Binance Smart Chain, you click it there. And Phantom and Avalanche is a whole different blockchain in which we'll be looking into in the future for you guys. But for now, let's focus on the CoinMarketCap airdrop, CoinMarketCap tutorial that we are doing, guys. If you want to join the community of the token, as you can see, click on that place. As you can see, if you want to run research on any token, you have to know the market cap. That's the amount investors have in particular token. That's collectively the total supply. That's the total amount of token produced by the owner. You must know the circulating supply. That's the amount of token in circulation. The current price of the token. The total value log. That's the TVL. Some are in circulation, while some are locked. The 24 hours volume trade. Amount of money that is being traded within 24 hours. The all-time high and the all-time low. As you can see it. As you can see, it's showing the all-time high, the all-time low. That is the highest point the token has reached, and the lowest point the token has reached as well. The market cap will be current price times the total circulating supply, guys. Okay, as you can see, this is the full details you need to know about any swap. This is the earning price statistic. As you can see, the price change, the 24 hours volume, the trading volume, the volume market cap, like I've explained just now, the market dominance, the market bounce, as you can see, is showing. So if you want to know any good project or any good token, just come to CoinMarketCap and search for the name of the token that you are looking for. See the market cap, the fully diluted market cap. As I've explained, market cap for you, the total supply, circulating supply, the current price, the total value low, the 24 hours volume trade, the all-time high, the all-time low, the market cap, guys. Okay, guys, this, as you can see, showing the 7 days low or 7 days like that's the all-time high and the all-time low, all-time high, the all-time. So the any swap pro, that's the return on investment. That's 1,472% for the return on investment for any swap, guys. That's the circulating supply, the one I explained, the total supply and the maximum supply, guys. Okay, guys, if you want to join their community, just click on chat, then you join their Telegram group. Okay, guys, as you can see, this is their Telegram group. You click on join so that you can interact with them and you can know any updates about the coin. Join the group. Okay, guys, that is all on CoinMarketCap. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to marblefunworld and turn on the notification so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. Adios, mi amigos.